Unleash your potential. 4 habits that hold you back, and the 5th one that will leave you stunned. Are you aware of the 5 dark habits that can sabotage your future? They are: First, indecision. You may hesitate and doubt yourself when faced with choices, which can lead to missed opportunities, wasted time, and frustration. You may fail to take action, make progress, and achieve your goals. Second, lack of discipline. You may not have a consistent routine or schedule for your work, health, and personal life. You may procrastinate, get distracted, and lose focus. You may struggle to maintain your habits, standards, and commitments. Third, selfishness. You may prioritize your own interests and needs above others, which can alienate, hurt, and exploit people. You may lack empathy, compassion, and generosity. You may miss the chance to build trust, relationships, and value with others. Fourth, arrogance. You may cling to your ego and pride and reject any feedback or criticism. You may stop learning, growing, and improving. You may miss out on the benefits of humility, curiosity, and openness. Fifth, fear. You may avoid risks, challenges, and uncertainties, which can limit your potential, settle for mediocrity, and lead to regret. You may suffer from anxiety, stress, and insecurity. If you agree with me, please drop a yes in the comments below and share your opinion.